Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I would like to do a tutorial on how to make a online radio application on Codular. So first, once you open creator.codular.io, I want you to create project and then name the project radio_online. And then press next. App name, name it radio online, and then for the package name, you use .com/.com.your online and finish. Okay, so now let's start with the interface. So first I would like to change the interface of the app from this. I would like to change it to just the colors first. So let's go to the gear and then choose theming, and then for the first color I would like to choose (07006 FE). Oh, sorry, hold on. That's not exactly the color that I want. Same results. Okay, so I was already correct on that one. Sorry about it. So 0700706 FE, and press enter to make sure or check, and then press set. Next, okay, second is 9E756EFE. Okay, and then set. Right, that should be good, and it should look pretty much something like this. Okay, for the navigation bar color, it's gonna be white. Just turn it white and press set. And then for the background color, I'm gonna change it to brown. It's 71504 BFE. BFE, and that should be it, and that should be the background. And since I also not gonna use this status bar or title, I think. Yeah, it's title, sorry, the title. So I'm just gonna uncheck the title so it's on screen, and then you go to properties, scroll all the way down. Right before advanced properties, there should be title visible. I want you to uncheck that, and so it should look like this. Alright, next is I want you to put in an image component in, and it should look there. But first on screen, for the alignment of horizontal and vertical, I want to put it on center like that. Yes, and then for the height, it's gonna be 30%, and for the width, it's gonna be fill front. And now I'm gonna upload an asset named, I named it Yep or something like that. Yes, there it is. And once it's finished uploading, I want you to choose it here, and it should look like this. Alright, so next I want you to duplicate this image. Duplicate it, and now for the copy, change the name by pressing the pencil icon on the top, change it to image 2, and for the height, change it to 35%. Yes, and now I want to upload another asset. There is a logo of the radio. it's an Islamic radio. Okay, it's in. Now change the logo. Now it should look like this. And now I want you to go to layout and then choose general and find space, put it under the Al Iman icon and then change the height into 1. Not 1 pixel, sorry, it's 1%. Alright, now it should like this. Now I want you to put in a horizontal arrangement, put it down under the space, change the alignment to center on both horizontal and vertical, and change the width to fill parent. It should look like this. And now I want you to put in a image again. This one, just put in another one inside the horizontal arrangement, and this time it's a play button. So let's just search play button or play button, and this one. You can choose any image that you want, but for me, I'm using this one, and just put it in. Yes, it should look like that. And change the height to 60 pixels and also the width to 60 pixels, and it should look like this. And also change the name from image free to play underscore button. Okay, now it should look like this. Now I want you to put in a player and a notifier. So just search on the palette here, and this search icon, search player, and just drag it in, as this is a non-visible icon. And now also search for notifier. This notifier only shows when there as a notification, so it's not always seen all the time. And now let's start to get to the code. So now scroll down and find the play button, and then to take the block named when play button click, put it in, and then in control search for if then, put it in, press the gear, and then put in else if. And now I want you to go back to the play button, and then find this picture and then put it here. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Okay. Go to logic and then choose the one that has an equal, put it in, and now I can go to play button and then choose the play button picture, and then put it in the first, and go back to play button and choose this, put it here, and change it to play button. And now let's go choose the player and then set the player one source, put it right there, and then go to text if I'm not mistaken. Yes, and go here, and then put in radio Al Iman link or of the MP3, and yes, and now go back to player one call player 1 start, put it under the set player source, and then go to notifier, scroll and find this and search for a show alert, this, and now go back to text, choose the empty box and change, and now put in the text radio now playing. It should look like this, and then I want to go back to play button again, and then picture, but this time I want you to choose this one right here and put it under here. And before that, I'm sorry, I forgot to upload another image. This time, stop button, and once you find it, open it, and when it's done, go back to blocks and then change the image to stop button. Alright, so now just need to duplicate this one, duplicate it, put it in the else if, and then change the play button to stop button, and when we can duplicate this one, put it in here, change it to play button, and then go to player 1 and choose call player 1 stop, and then you can just duplicate this one, duplicate it, and then change it to radio start. Alright, and now the application is finished. So it most likely looks like this. Okay, thank you all for watching my video, and if you guys want to test it, you guys can download Codeler Companion on your phone, and then once you finish, open the app and then choose scan QR code if not mistaken, and then press this test button up here on the Codeler website, just test, and then connect to Companion, and you should and just scan the QR code and wait, and then you can try your app. Alright, maybe that is all from me. Thank you all for watching. That's to say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.